This is the best way to share a horizontal video in a vertical format without manually cropping. The biggest challenge with sharing a horizontal video to social media is trying to keep your subject in frame. Take this surfer for example. If we want to highlight him in a vertical layout, he runs out of the frame and it is difficult to manually adjust. But there is a simple solution. Auto-reframe with the PicPlayPost app. Here is a side-by-side, with and without auto-reframe. Auto-reframe will automatically keep your subject in view throughout the entire video. You can use auto-reframe and export in any ratio. Here is a sample of the original video along with a 1:1 ratio and 9:16 layout using auto-reframe. Check out the quick tutorial on our page on exactly how to use auto-reframe. Download PicPlayPost today, link in bio.